Welcome to Simplekidscrafts.com episode 778, How to Make a Bunk Bed for Meowlody and Purrsephone Werecat. If you like today's video, don't forget to share, comment, rate, and subscribe. Today I will use this dish drying rack and transform it into a bunk bed with a pull-out and storage that can accommodate a total of 9 Monster High or Ever After High dolls. These drying racks can be found at 99-cent stores, large household goods, and in Turkey we can find them in Bazaars. This one cost me $5 or 12 liras. You can also build a structure similar to this one using cardboard and wooden dowels. Start by removing the upper part of the drying rack. To make the mattress, cut square pieces of cardboard and cover them with fabric. Make the bed sheets by cutting pieces of fabric about the same size of the mattress, but leave about 4 centimeters on each side. Fold and glue and attach ribbon to the sides. Make pillows by cutting pieces of fabric into rectangles. Sew 3 of the sides, leaving a little bit open, and then stuff it and close shut. To decorate the bed, use a Monster High sticker, a cutout, or a printable, and glue it to the headboard. Make kitty ears for the headboard using foam and glue it to the top of the bed. Cover the bottom of the bed with ribbon or foam. Now you have a bed that can fit 9 dolls. And the bed features a pull-out mattress that can accommodate 3 additional dolls. The bottom of the bed can be used for storage. And the top and the bottom bunk beds can accommodate 3 dolls each. Now let's look at the bedding. I made the red bedding for the top bunk, and I added 4 pillows, 2 that are red and 2 that are in stripes. For the lower bunk, I made an orange bed sheet and 3 pillows. If you liked today's video, don't forget to share, comment, rate, subscribe, and keep on recycling. I will see you on the next video. Bye!